Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. Disabling hardware acceleration in Chrome can help resolve compatibility issues and improve browser stability, especially on systems experiencing glitches or crashes. So let's start the video. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer. Now click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the browser window to open the Chrome menu. Now scroll down and click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on System tab on the left sidebar. Here you will see an option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. By default, this option is usually turned on to improve performance by offloading some tasks to your computer's GPU. To turn off hardware acceleration, simply toggle the switch to the off position by clicking on it. Now simply click on Relaunch button to restart your browser. So you have successfully turned off or disabled hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.